Hi, my name is Adam Navidi and I'm an aquaponic chef. I have an aquaponic farm called Future Foods Farms in Brea, California. So we do aquaponics here at Future Foods Farms. What inspired me to do this is mostly just to have the best produce possible to work with in my restaurants. So aquaponics is the two sciences, aquaculture and hydroponics is two sciences put together. It's a recirculating system. The fish produce the nutrients to feed the plants are filtering the water and cleaning the water for the fish. Aquaponics is the most efficient farming method in the world. As a chef, you want to be able to grow as much produce as you possibly can. You don't have the time to spend as much as you would like growing in soil to be able to work on the weeds and everything else. And then you also have the fish as well, to be able to have fresh fish and use it in my restaurant. Typical day starts early, sometimes 5, 6 o'clock in the morning like today, and it can go all the way till 1 o'clock at night. So we farm in the morning for a couple hours, head to the restaurant, open up the restaurant at 9 o'clock in the morning, do lunch service, come back out to the farm about 3 o'clock, spend an hour or so out here, and then back to the restaurant for dinner service starting at 5. Okay, innovation. I think, there's a lot of people, working on vertical farming right now and automation. Automation is key because of course, the labor involved in farming. There's a lot of labor involved, and so if we can make it more efficient, less water use as well too. Farming uses a lot of water, especially here in California. Yeah, my best advice would be to definitely find a farm close to you nearby, even if it's a soil farm or if it's a hydroponic farm or like us, an aquaponic farm. Go there, help out, volunteer. We have a lot of students that come from universities, from high schools. We've even had Girl Scout troops that come out. And so they get a chance to come out here and kind of learn how to seed, how the process works. And then a lot of them end up going and building little systems in their backyard.